Welcome to the Preferred Club at Secret St. James, Montego Bay. Planning a romantic getaway or the perfect honeymoon in Jamaica? Let us help you choose the right room for your dream escape. Email us at travel@princeventures.com to get our personalized, expert advice from our award-winning luxury travel team. This isn't just a room upgrade, it's a full elevated experience. Preferred Club rooms offer some of the best ocean views on the property, and most include jacuzzis on your private balcony, perfect for relaxing with some alone time. You'll enjoy private check-in, personalized concierge service, and access to the Preferred Club Lounge. This lounge is stocked with top-shelf drinks, hors d'oeuvres, common private breakfast and lunch area, as well as a quiet relaxation space. Buy the best vacation you can afford, and if you're traveling at peak travel season, we recommend you book a Preferred Club room with us. You'll enjoy access to dining and amenities like their 2 pools at breathless Montego Bay. Most importantly, with preferred status, you'll enjoy the private pools, a private beach area, and upgraded in-room amenities, every detail designed for adults-only luxury. We feel this is the most important feature, giving you the benefit of more space and no fighting for chairs early in the morning on your well-deserved vacation. Did you know we've been custom planning luxury travel for folks worldwide since 2019? We are a Canadian-based travel agency team, and we're here to serve your every trip. Whether it's your honeymoon or just long overdue time together, don't leave your room selection to chance. Reach out now by emailing us at travel@princeventures.com and we'll match you to the perfect suite for your romantic Jamaican escape. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel inspiration.